This is our newly developed flat cable quick connector. This connector solves the flat cable connection problem. This connection is with metal teeth inside. It can penetrate the flat cable very quickly. So I show you. This is our 6mm flat cable. We peel off the peelable layer and open the cover. Put this inside. Put this inside and then just cover it. Okay, after cover it, you need to push this side. Make sure it will penetrate into the cable. Okay. So now it is connected. And okay, we show you the other end. Is connected. It's connected. So this is very quick and easy way to connect a flat cable. If you want to disconnect a cable, it seems very difficult because it's penetrated. Okay, I have a very quick solution for you. You can take off the cover. Take off it and then put back the cover. Okay, so you can reconnect it. Okay, this is our narrow flat cable. Okay, so this small flat cable also get connected. And this connector is also an adapter. It transfers the flat cable to round or other style thick cable